Hi guys, I'm Jack from Foxtech. The thing I'm going to do the unboxing today might change the way you do the 3D modeling, Pocket 3D, and it is called the first consumer handheld 3D modeling tool and system. Let's find out if it's actually worth your money. Let's talk about the packaging first. I've been doing the unboxing for years, so you can tell whether a product has real thought behind it just from the box. This is the hard shell zipper box. Really solid build quality. It's not just one something and you like a card box and you rip off and you toss and something you just actually keep to store the gear. Open it up and the top layer has the menu and the docking base here. And let's see how thin it is. And you guys are into robots and drones and you can know what I mean. The thinner the menu is, the more confident the product is. No 3D reading manual required in just literally pick it up and start to use it. Okay, now the base, and pay attention because it is not just a simple charging dock. See those contacts, and because it is not only a charger and also a battery level display stand in one. Now what does that tell you? It means the Pocket 3D isn't some gadget you wave around for 5 minutes and forget. It is a compact workstation with a proper workflow. When you are not using it, it just stands there on your deck, looking pretty cool. And a special hole with an arrow is possible to collect the GCP point, ground control point. Let's start with the battery. What's the number one fear when you buy a portable scanning device? Running out of the juice halfway through a scan. Pocket 3D's battery is rated for 3 hours at room temperature, and that's the entire afternoon of your field work without packing a battery bank. So, and then it is removable, which means you can carry spare batteries, and this is a big deal because it solves a real-world pain point. You are not just scanning in office, you are outdoor on the construction site in the field. There's also a card reader included in the box, small accessory, but it matters. Why? Because a lot of consumer 3D scanner lock your data inside a proprietary app. You try to export it, and sorry, incompatible format, and you have to go through their cloud device and so on. The Pocket 3D writes everything straight into a SD card, and you grab this reader and plug it into your computer, and whether it is point clouds, meshes, and 3D GS model, do whatever you want with them. The data is yours, not the manufacturer's. Now let's look at the fully assembled unit. First impression, when you hold it, light, 700 grams, and it's lighter than a large bottle of water. And for reference, your DJI RC controller is about the same weight. So it's honest, hard to believe a device with a 16-channel LiDAR can be this compact. Meanwhile, traditional industrial gear in this class weighs 5 or 6 kilo, plus the tripod, plus the laptop together with it. It's not creativity, it is a workout. As you can see, the Pocket 3D is directly compatible with the Insta360 and also DJI Osmo series cameras. It has the Type-C charging, it has the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and the Wi-Fi is directly compatible with the app, like SLAMGO is called SLAMGO, okay? So, what does it mean for you? It means that probably you don't need to buy any other accessories, and the things that you already own will just likely work out right of the box. And your wallet will truly appreciate that. Okay, now let me give you some numbers. The 16-channel LiDAR, 48,000 points per second, and 2 centimeter relative accuracy. But being honest, the number aren't the point. What matters is what you can do with it. And imagine that you just walk around for a few minutes, and the software spits out 3 results in 1 click. The RGB point cloud, panoramic images, and also the 3D GS file. And here is the kicker. The SLAMGO app and also the SLAMGO POST software, which is mounted in your Windows, are completely free. On top of that, it's compatible with the third-party tools, so you can also generate the mesh and the beam engineering models. Building digital twins creating robot simulation environments, making real-world 3D assets for games. And that used to be require a setup of costing tens of thousands of dollars. Now it just fit your pocket. So here is the bottom line. Poki 3D isn't trying to replace hundreds of thousands of dollars industrial scanners. It's doing something more important, giving creators, engineers, and educators who were pressed out of this space their very first 3D modeling tool. 2 cm accuracy, 3 hours battery life, 700 grams, truly plug and play. I'm not going to tell you it is perfect, but at its price point, I haven't found anything that really competes. Alright, that's for today's unboxing. Drop a comment and tell me if you had this Poki 3D, what is the very first thing you are going to scan. I'm picking the most interesting answer from the comment. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So in next video, I'm going to take this outdoors and just scan a full real-world test. So let's see how accurate it really is. Result don't lie, and see you in next video. I'm Jack from Fox Tech.